Hello everyone. Any festival in South Indian homes won't be complete without this beautiful dish named vada. And it is also served in breakfast in most of the South Indian hotels. Let's get into the video to know how to make this crispy vada. I took 1 cup urad dal in a bowl. Don't forget to take full-sized urad dal and not the split one. Wash the urad dal. Soak it in water for about 2 to 3 hours and not more than that. After 3 hours, drain the water. Grind the urad dal in the grinder. While grinding, just add only very little water to make sure the grinder doesn't stop running easily, because we need the batter in more solid form. The grinding process is done now. See the texture, it should be silky smooth when you touch it. Add the required salt. Add finely chopped onions. Finely chopped curry leaves, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped green chili. Mix it nicely with the batter. Now the vada batter is ready. Let me show you how to make the vada before we go to the frying part. It's very easy to do. Dip your fingers in a glass of water. Take a small ball of batter and make a little hole in the center like this. Now heat oil in a kadai. In order to check if the oil is heated to the right temperature, just drop a small pinch of batter into the oil. The batter should rise in a medium speed to the top of the kadai. The oil is ready. Now you can start dropping the vada into the oil. Use the method I mentioned earlier. Repeatedly flip the vada to both sides until they become golden brown in color. The vada is almost ready. Can you see all of them become golden brown in color? And now it's time to take them off the oil one by one. The crispy, mouth-watering vada is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy eating. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enlighten You.